Hey y'all, and welcome to our first February 2021 club tasting video, taking our trip through France this month, and we're going to start in Loire with the Petite Sauvage Sauvignon Blanc. This is from the Val de Loire IGP, which covers most of Loire and a touch of Chablis, believe it or not. French wine laws are kind of weird. So Sauvignon Blanc, at least as a grape, is kind of seen as having its apex in Loire, specifically in Sancerre. It's kind of considered by a lot of wine nerds to be the apex of Sauvignon Blanc. It's just blowingly acidic, it's age-worthy, it's robust, it's just extremely flavorful. But like most apex wines or top producer wines, they tend to be kind of pricey. And a lot of the stuff you'll find in retail for Sancerre is usually done by negociants, and generally isn't quite the quality that you'd want to pay for a $30, $40, even $50 bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. So finding these little baby steps into the region is really crucial if you want to get like a vague idea of what you're looking for. And it's what I think Petite Sauvage is. So this is 100% Sauvignon Blanc sourced from all over Loire, but I'm pretty sure most of it is sourced from Touraine, which is one of the larger four regions for Sauvignon Blanc in the region, or just in general Loire. So on the nose, we get these really quintessential signs of like kind of ripe, sweet vegetal notes. You get citrus, you get a little bit of like peach there in the background, a little bit of minerality in there. It reminds me a lot of Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc or New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. That's probably the most direct comparison to Loire Sauvignon Blanc. That being said, Loire does tend to have a little bit more minerality, which is pretty present here. So let's taste it. Yeah, so high acid, a slightly creamier body than you'd get from a Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc. Tons of citrus, a little bit of that grapefruit note in there. Definitely get that peach thing on the back end, and definitely some fun herbaceousness to it. There's a touch of minerality, but not nearly as much as you would expect from a Sancerre. So when I say like baby step, this is kind of what I'm referring to. So if you're looking for something simple, straightforward to go with some grilled seafood, I'd say this is a really solid option.